Here's the question I got asked. I can't message a buddy of mine on Facebook, or he can't message me, and I don't understand why. Bottom line is, somehow or another, whether you did it or some other activity did it, you've blocked that person. Let me show you how to unblock a friend on Facebook Messenger. Well, first of all, the easiest way to do it is go to messaging. Is Messenger over here on the left? There it is right there. Go to Messenger. Log into your Facebook. Go to facebook.com. On the left-hand side, look over and see if you can find Messenger. You can find it there, or you can go over here, or you click it there. You can see all in Messenger. Boom. See all in Messenger. This is Facebook Messenger. You may not go here on a regular basis because we usually do it from within Facebook. Now, in here, I can click these three dots. It's buried a little bit. Go to Preferences. I'm still not there. I can come down here to Manage Blocking. Click on that. It opens up another page. I'm still not there yet. Look here, Block Users. Hit Edit. Look, I'm still not there yet. See your blocked list. Boom. Now here's my block list. I'm going to hide this so you don't see the people that I'm blocking. But if I scroll down through this list and I go, oh my gosh, why am I blocking that person? Maybe that person ticked you off at one point and you decided blocking was the answer. I don't know. Maybe something else happened, but the bottom line, the way you unblock, I will also offer this to you as well, that sometimes I see the names in here and I remember that there was a fake account created to look like my friend and I blocked that fake account. So unfortunately, I can't go look at the account. I could probably go back to Facebook and look and see if this account is still there, and then I can make a decision. Is that the person I wanna block, or is that the person I really shouldn't have blocked? And so then once you discover that person and you verified it's the real person, let me repeat, verify by going back to Facebook, look for that person, just search for the name and make sure there's not two of them, and then you can unblock them if you discover that that's a good person. So the way you do it is just simply find that person. Let me look for one here I can do that, and I can go, there's one right there, and I can unblock. And then I can confirm by hitting confirm. And now I've unblocked that person. It's really pretty easy, but again, I reiterate, when you see a name there and you're not sure, go back to Facebook in the other tab, look for that person and make a decision as to whether or not you want to unblock them or not. I'm Teddy, your social media dude. Unblock the good people. Say hello to them.